in this video, I wanted to touch base on a little bit about these GFI outlets that you may see in your kitchen or bathroom. So these outlets are known as a ground fault circuit interrupter, a GFCI. They're strategically positioned near any wet location. So in case if you should drop something into the sink here and it get wet, that it cuts off the power immediately. So these are a nice safety device to have. So every so often you're going to want to test them by pushing the test button and then resetting them to restore the power. And it's very important too, typically in a kitchen and a bathroom, because we're using appliances that pull more power, we want to be buying, if we have to replace these or install them, let's just say that maybe your unit doesn't have them because it's an older unit or for whatever reason, maybe somebody replaced it with a regular outlet, is in kitchens and bathrooms, we should have what's called a 20 amp outlet, okay? And how you can tell that a 20 amp between a 15 and a 20 amp is the 20 amp has this little T here off the one slot, okay? So if you're going to replace these, make sure you get the one with the T slot here. They're a little bit more expensive because they're the 20 amp, but you want to, it's very important because the 15 amp may not be able to hold up to a convection oven or in the bathroom, a hair dryer, something that pulls a little bit more wattage, okay? And these things are maybe like $20. They're an easy replacement. I actually do have another video on how to replace them if you're up for the challenge. Otherwise, this is something that, simply can be replaced by a handyman.